Hello, this is Jessica Butler of Attain Consulting Group. In this session, I'll be talking about building a deduction dashboard. So before we get started on the dashboard, I just want to share some information from a 2018 survey that we did on customer deductions. One of the questions we asked was, how would companies rate their deduction reporting capabilities? As you can see from the results in front of you, only 22% felt that their reporting capabilities were excellent. The vast majority, almost 60%, said they were average. 15% said poor, 4% said, what reporting capabilities? Nothing at all. We also asked companies if they had a deduction dashboard that they shared with senior management. More than half, a little more than half, said yes, they did have something, but to me anyway, a whopping 45% said that they did not have any sort of a dashboard or summary information that they shared with senior management. So that's what we're going to talk about in this session. Two areas we're going to cover. One is creating a dashboard, and then I'm going to share with you some sample dashboards.